Absolute Wealth. Real investors, real results.
Hey everybody, this is John Carter with Absolute Wealth, and let's take a look at the markets. And we've got a fairly interesting market day today. And this daily chart here is a little, I would say, deceiving because it looks like, it just pulled back today, no big deal. When in actuality, what happened is that we had a strong morning and we rallied for about the first hour or so, and then we just got killed after that. And that's a red flag. And in fact, we'll look at an intraday chart here of the price action. And if you look here at the S&Ps, the Dow, we had the big pop up this morning, and then we just kind of came down, came back and tested these key levels, and then just puked from there. And you had one thing today that really stood out was that the euro currency, as represented by the exchange traded fund FXE, was very, very strong today, and this is a new development. And the fact that it opened strong and stayed strong, while the market opened strong and puked, actually points to a potential market top. So be very, very careful here. Again, with your stops, you want to tighten your stops. I'm not looking to buy pullbacks here, but the fact that the euro gapped up here and held, that's very bullish for the euro, which is bearish for stocks. So it's also good news for you gold lovers, is that it's also bullish for gold. You can see GLG popped up here. I'm actually expecting more upside from that, as well as SLV. Okay, and in fact, if we go over to a daily chart here on SLV, you can see it gapped up into some pretty decent through some resistance, and gold popped up here fairly good as well. And then finally, one of the things that I'm looking up here is bonds. Bonds today came lower and reversed. I am looking for bonds to start working their way higher in this market. Okay, so overall, again, just be careful buying the dips here. Apple is a good example of this. You can see today it got as high as 674.88, but before it reversed and died. We caught this in our trading room, where we had a 1272 extension right at this level and completely peaked from here. I'm actually not looking at buying pullbacks on Apple. I think this was an important top put in as Apple as well. Okay, so the main thing here is caution is warranted. We could have put in a top today, an intermediate term top in the stock market. We're going to know more by the end of the week. So just hold on to your cash with both fists. This is a good place to put on a couple of shorts, like on the spiders and some things like that, and see where we are at the end of the week. If at the end of the week, coming back here to the Dow, if at the end of the week we actually take out this green line here, about 13,165, we will have put in an intermediate term top and look to work our way lower. Okay, you guys have a great rest of the day, and we'll check in with you at the end of the week.